In this video, I will show you how to check all of your saved passwords on your iPhone. It's pretty easy process to see all of your saved passwords. And right now, I'll show you how to do it. First of all, on your iPhone, you have to open this passwords app. So currently I'm using iOS 18. So in iOS 18, you'll find this passwords app. Just open this. And now you have to verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified your Face ID, you will directly jump into the passwords homepage. Here, to see all of your saved passwords, just tap on all. And here you will find all of your saved passwords. To check any account password, just tap on the account. And here, tap on this password to make the password visible. So that's how you will be able to check your saved passwords on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.